In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a project in Hubstaff. This is useful if you want to track time, assign team members, or manage budgets inside Hubstaff. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then on the main homepage, I want you to click this arrow because this enables you to see the sidebar, which gives you all the features and tools that we can use here in Hubstaff. For us to be able to add projects, all I have to do is scroll down until you find project management. There's going to be like a back arrow. I want you to click on it so it'll give you more options, and all I have to do is click the projects. Here, all I have to do is super simple. Click the add a project to create a new one. You can create a project name, which is going to be this one, and you have all these options to have more control and to organize work and track time for specific clients, teams, or tasks. You can allow project tracking, disable idle time if you want, disable activity, select a client, okay? And then on the members, if you want to add your team member, your client, you can do so, or specific users and viewers. It's up to you. Now, you can also select a specific budget if you want. Is it going to be like a project budget? Or if you want to put a member limits, it's up to you. You have the ability to control it. But basically, just click the save button. Now, your project will appear in the project lists, and team members can start tracking time. Of course, from the project, you can add tasks or to-dos to track detailed work inside each project. And projects help organize work and make reporting easier. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to add a project in Hubstaff. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.